Welcome back to Mr. Bob's Builds. Today's video is going to be a short review of Zvezda's 1/72nd Samurai Commanders and Ashigaru-Yari. I got these figures for Christmas and someone's asked me to do a review of them, so here we go. The figures are in 1/72nd scale and are produced in a hard plastic. These figures form part of their range produced for the Art of Tactic wargame. Rather than seeking to reinvent the wheel, I will quote passages from the wonderful Plastic Soldier review website, link, and use photographs from that site too. The box and sprue shots are from my own version of this, whereas the built-up models are taken from the website. First up, we have the Samurai Commanders. This box of figures measures approximately 15 centimeters by 12. The splendid box art illustrates the 3 standing and 1 mounted figure contained in this box. The reverse side illustrates built-up versions of the 4 figures and contains a listing of the box contents. These contents include 2 sprues which contain the parts, the bases, the standards, plus instructions, flags and transfers. Now for photos from the website. There are 3 dismounted commanders and 1 mounted commander. All wear armour, although 2 of the foot figures also wear the suit surcoat that was worn over the armour and was on occasion worn into battle. According to the review, the armour depicted is accurate. All of them also wear rather impressive looking helmets. All have swords and 2 have forms of war fans. The horse has the correct style of saddle and the harness looks very good. The parts need some assembly, but plugged together and fit appears to be good. Sculpting on all these figures is excellent. Now we come to the box of Ashigaru-Yari. The again excellent artwork shows 4 spearmen. The box actually contains 5 of the figures, 1 of each of the 3 standing characters and 2 of the kneeling chap. Again we have 2 sprues of parts, plus instructions, plus the add-on bits and decors. We also have some round parts on the sprues which look like games counters. No, I'm not entirely sure about that. And in the bundle of parts there appears to be a game system card, but whether or not that's meant to be there, I'm not sure. Borrowing again from the review website, here we see a photograph of the unit built up and displayed on the base, which is included on the sprue. Again, like the commanders, these figures are beautifully detailed and very well sculpted and look to go together very, very well. One point worth noting is that in the website review to which I've been referring, the reviewer makes the observation that at a scale 1.8 meters tall, these chaps are a tad big for a medieval Japanese warrior. I'm not sure that I'm too concerned about that. To conclude then, these are cracking little figures and perhaps the best plastic figures I've seen in 1/72nd scale. Plan on painting up a small scene with 1 of the commanders and 4 or maybe all 5 of the Ashigaru-Yari. I look forward to painting them in due course. These were a rather splendid Christmas gift, so I'm not entirely sure how much was paid for them, but on listing sites they look to be about £2.99 a box, which to me seems like a bargain. These are 2 sets from quite a large range of samurai type figures, including archers, characters with early firearms, mounted samurai, etc. Perhaps pay a visit to the Plastic Soldier review website, where all these figures are listed and reviewed together with photographs. Well, that's this review done and dusted. I hope you found it interesting and perhaps useful. Please come back soon to Mr. Bob's Builds, where I'll be gearing up for more reviews and build reviews. Bye for now. Thank you for looking. Come back soon.